everyone. Hi, this is Kanu Bhutani here, and today we will be seeing how can AI help Maximo EAM tool. So AI, as you know, is like things that we have in that are like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, the machine learning, and the deep learning. All these technologies and concepts are there in AI. So today we will be seeing how these AI tools or these concepts of AI really help us in Maximo. So Maximo, as we know, it's an EAM tool, Enterprise Asset Management tool, that helps us to manage our assets that are there. And it's an enterprise level asset management that it does, Maximo. So let's see what are these few things that the AI can help us. So the first one, as you see, is predictive maintenance. The most important thing why we use EAM Maximo in the asset management as a tool is maintenance. We need to know how to maintain the assets which are there, and the maintenance should be like on time, and it should be, we should come to know, it should predict automatically when the specific asset needs the maintenance to be done. So it should not get into the failure, it should not fail, it should be working in the working condition, but we should beforehand come to know predictive, we should predict it that this specific asset requires maintenance. So what this AI helps us to predict the maintenance, thereby helping us to save our assets and save time. The second one is anomaly detection. AI helps in Maximo by detecting any abnormalities or abnormal behavior of an asset is there in going on, and it detects beforehand. Now see, here we are talking about the asset of enterprise level. So it's not one or two things, those are very big assets, and the detection of any abnormal behavior of that asset is very important. So AI helps in detecting that on time and helping us to take action, either to send the mechanic or to raise a work order, maintenance for that, all that. Third is optimal scheduling. This also comes under maintenance. The main objective of keeping a Maximo tool is to make sure that we all get the proper in time repairing of the assets. So the optimal, we need to have the optimization of each and every asset that we are using. Every asset, as I told before also, that every asset in a enterprise is very expensive. We can't afford to change that every time. Therefore, the optimal scheduling of, say, repair work or exchange or change of that asset, it helps us in optimal scheduling. How? The AI is a machine learning. So it actually works on data. So the data that we store in them, the data that we give it to it, gets into that data and sees that, gets into the historical data, and as soon as it gets into the historical data, it understands on based on the concepts that it has, AI, it understands, yes, this requires the maintenance or something, or it requires some attention. So that comes here. The fourth one is image recognition. This is deep learning. Deep learning is a concept of AI that is used mostly in the when we have to analyze some images. When we have to analyze some images, deep learning helps us in recognizing those images. And here, as you see, that the images of the assets, the outer images, the inner images of the assets are very, very essential, so that we can recognize immediately and we can come to know the health of the asset. Okay. Then comes inventory optimization. Again, the asset that we have, along with asset comes inventory. We have to maintain the inventory at all times. If there is something less, something more, if we want acquire some new assets, all that will be dependent on the inventory that we have it in EM and Maximo. So Maximo's inventory will also, AI will help by seeing the different types of assets which are there inside Maximo, understanding its health based on the data that we provide. It will understand that, yes, this is a specific inventory which is to be ordered, and it will automatically go and order it also. So automation is also one thing that AI will help. AI will help in automating the inventory optimization. By doing all this, we will come to energy efficiency. As you see that Maximo is the tool that is used in energy and utilities domain in a very large way, in a very extensive manner. It is used to actually save the energy. Energy is the most crucial thing that we have, and we have to use energy efficiently. It can be the light, gas, oil, fuels, all those energies and utilities like electricity and power. All those are very, very important to save it and use it efficiently. So as soon as we go on doing all this, saving all this, we can save energy and we can get efficient energy saving. That takes us to data insights and reporting. The AI will help. The main role of AI is to get into data and understand the data and analyze it, and based on what is the output required by the persons, the workflow, the maintenance people, what they need, and the managers, what they need. The data insight can be done by AI, and the reporting, automating the reports. Automatically the reports can go to the higher management, and the technicians, and based on those reports they can decide and take the action. Finally comes cognitive search. Cognitive search is what I spoke in DL. Deep learning is a concept of AI which uses cognitive neural network. What is cognitive neural network? It is like functioning, making the artificial intelligence function like a brain. So, based on this concept, CNN, the cognitive search can go on as if the human is doing any search. Based on that, the cognitive search can be initiated. Finally, it's workflow optimization. You can see where all optimization and optimal scheduling, all these are coming. Why? Because we have to optimize our work. We have to make it more efficient and effective way of working. So workflow is one thing that the Maximo makes for the persons to take the action, and it goes to the technicians either to maintain it or to change the asset or anything. So Maximo does that, but workflow optimization will be done by AI because of the data search and data integration that they do. And the final is NLP, which is natural language processing. Natural language processing is one of the very important fundamental concept of AI, which helps the AI, artificial intelligence, to function in such a way that a person should not understand that it is a AI, it is artificial intelligence working. It should be a human understandable language. So the human understandable language is natural language processing, which it does so that a human can understand what actions AI has taken. So these 10 are the things which really help us to understand how AI helps Maximo tool and how it makes it efficient working. So thank you very much for listening to this video. I hope it would be useful to you. We will see another topic in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.